Welcome to our podcast episode, where today we're diving into a small but mighty component of modern technology, the micro SD card reader module. Micro SD cards have become ubiquitous in the world of electronics. From smartphones to digital cameras and drones, their compact format allows for convenient data storage without taking up much space. But how do we access the data stored on these tiny cards? That's where the micro SD card reader module comes into play. So, what exactly is a micro SD card reader module? Essentially, it's a compact device designed to interface between a micro SD card and a microcontroller or other devices. These modules are typically equipped with a simple pin array, making it easy to connect to platforms like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, or even custom-built electronic projects. The core functionality of the micro SD card reader is to read and write data to the SD card. Thanks to the SPI, Serial Peripheral Interface, communication protocol it uses, it facilitates fast data transfers. This means that whether you're saving high-resolution photos, playing back audio files, or storing game data, the micro SD card reader module efficiently manages the process. One of the compelling features of these modules is their versatility. They're used in robotics for storing sensor data, in DIY electronics projects for logging measurements, and even in music players where they can retrieve tracks stored on a micro SD card. The applications are nearly limitless. When integrating a micro SD card reader module into a project, one of the first steps is to include the appropriate libraries. For instance, if you're using an Arduino, you would typically use the sd.h library, which provides necessary functions for handling files on the micro SD card. This makes it easy to create, read, and write files programmatically. Another exciting aspect is how these modules have advanced over the years. Today, they support larger capacity cards, which means you can store more data. Many modules also come with additional features, such as built-in LED indicators to show if the module is active and operating correctly. In conclusion, the micro SD card reader module is an essential tool for anyone dabbling in electronics or embedded systems. It opens the door to vast possibilities for data storage and retrieval in compact projects. So whether you're a seasoned developer or a beginner, integrating this module could be the next step in bringing your creative ideas to life. Thank you for tuning in, and happy tinkering.